Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to solve something went wrong on YouTube iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. When people open the YouTube app, they get this message. Something went wrong or a black screen. So let's see the solution for this problem. The very first step is to open the settings on your device and then enable the airplane mode. Then wait 10 or 20 seconds. After that, you can disable the airplane mode. Now, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, open the Wi-Fi settings, then tap on the little button next to the network that you are connected to. Then click on Forget this network. After you do that, reconnect to the same Wi-Fi network or connect to some other Wi-Fi network that has a faster connection. But if you are using mobile or cellular data, then go back and open the Mobile Data tab. Click on Mobile Data Options. Then Voice and Data, and make sure that you have 4G enabled. If your mobile data connection is unstable or slow, then that's maybe what's causing this problem. So enable the 4G option in the settings, but even if the mobile data connection is still slow after enabling 4G. Then switch to a Wi-Fi connection if you can, and also make sure that the low data mode is turned off or disabled. So after you do these steps, open YouTube and check if this fixed your problem. If it didn't, then open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube. You have to make sure that you have all of the latest features and functions, so check if YouTube is updated, and that will hopefully fix your problem. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.